Hello, this is Lily Joseph doing my midterm video. Here's my student ID, and let's get to it. I have that pointed at my paper. All right. So for our first question, we have page 100, problem number 3. Hopefully you can see. All right, so for number 3, we have solve for x, the equation, which is 3 parentheses x minus 7 equals 19 minus x. So our first step is going to be to distribute the 3 into the parentheses. So we're going to distribute that. 3 times x would become 3x, and then 3 times negative 7 would be negative 21, 19 minus x. So now we got this, we're going to get our variables, the x's on one side and our constants on the other side of the equal sign. So we're going to add 21 to both sides and add x to both sides. Cancel that out. So now that we got them on both sides, we are going to add 3 like terms. So 3x plus x becomes a 4x, and then a 19 plus a 21 becomes 40. Now to solve for x, we're going to divide by 4, get the variable by itself, and x will equal 10. So now in order to check this, you're going to plug 10 back in for x into the original problem. So we will get 3 parentheses 10 minus 7 equals 19 minus 10. So now we're just going to solve it using our order of operations. So 10 minus 7 becomes a 3, 3 times 3 becomes a 9, and then a 19 minus 10 becomes a 9 as well. So that's how we show that x minus 10 is correct. So we plugged it back in, got the same answer on each side. So for our next problem, we have write an equation through the passing line of the points they gave us. So they gave us a point of negative 2, 1, and they also gave us a point of 4, 7. So we're going to be writing this in the equation of the slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. So we are going to first find the slope for our equation. So to find a slope, that is y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. So we have our two ordered pairs, x1, y1, x2, and y2 right here, as you can see. So we will do y2 minus y1, which is 7 minus 1, all over x2 minus x1, which is 4 minus a negative 2, which would become 4 plus 2. So this would become 7 minus 1, 6, all over 4 plus 2, 6, which equals 1. So now we know that our slope is 1. And now we are going to find the y-intercept. So to do that, you know our equation is y equals mx plus b. We have found the m for the slope, so all we need is b, the y-intercept. So we're just going to take one of these ordered pairs and plug it in. So y equals mx plus b. So we're just going to plug in. So I'm just going to do the second ordered pair because it's positive numbers. So we'll do 7 equals, slope is 1, so 1 times 4 plus b. And all we're going to do is solve for b. So we'll do 7 equals 4 plus b. So we're going to get the 4 on the other side, and we'll get b equals 3. So our y-intercept equals 3. So now that we have our slope and our y-intercept, we have our equation. So we get y equals mx, so that would be 1x, the one you can just write as x, the one doesn't matter, plus 3, which is our y-intercept. So our equation is y equals x plus 3. Okay, and then now we are going to graph that. That's the page. Okay. Just gonna draw a pretty big one so you can see. Just plot some points. We're gonna plot the 2 points they gave us. So we had -2, 1, -2, 1 right here. And then we had 4, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 7. And our y-intercept is 3. So on the y-axis, we can dot that as well. So this is our graph that we get. So based on the graph, you can see that it is linear and it is rising from left to right. And the slope of this line is 1. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.